Hello interwebs, welcome to Let's Fix Computers. We're going to replace mouse buttons today, which is a repair I haven't done before. This probably won't take very long. We've just got to take off the top cover, and then these are going to unscrew from the back, I think. However, I haven't done this before, so I thought I'd turn on the camera and see what it looked like. So we're going to start out by taking out this keyboard, which is probably screwed in on the back actually, so let's turn this over. Okay, so here's the back of the top case, and these are the mouse buttons. So we just disconnect that, and then theoretically, if we take out these two screws, the buttons will come out. Now, on some laptops, these buttons are replaceable. As you can see here, it will just be a little circuit board or module that comes out, like so. There's the mouse buttons. And what's happened on this one is the clicker's gone on this, so it doesn't tap or bounce properly. On other laptops, the mouse buttons are actually built onto the motherboard. They're tiny little micro buttons on the motherboard itself, so you can't replace them. So it varies quite a lot. So if your laptop has got duff buttons, you just got to have a look and see what seems to be the case. So I've got some replacement ones here that I've purchased from eBay, and so we'll fit those in. And then we've just got to reassemble. There we have it, we are finished. Replaced mouse buttons. Thank you very much for watching. See you all next time.